Hi friend, this is Subhash here and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber here at the Statue of Unity in Gujarat. I ride alone from my home from Goa 1000 kilometers. So I'll capture some moments here in a Statue of Unity here. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It cost me around 150. They have different section. If you want to see different types of section, you can buy a ticket for them. Total 7-8 types of section they have here. I chose only one just to show you from outside. If you like my videos, do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for upcoming videos. Okay, come on, let's go now. This is the area here. I have to go there. Statue is behind this here. Okay, that's the statue guys. I'll capture while going to the statue there. Yeah guys, I'm finally here. You know what? Sometimes it feels very boring. 1000 kilometers from Goa, maybe more than that. That only gives a lot of pain. When you start riding from home, you feel that how long it will take to reach here. You feel tired to reach here. But once you reach here, I feel like I am in paradise now. I made it. Finally, I am here. I made it. It's done. All my pain and my sleep, whatever it is, everything has released now. And that bike also gave me my support. It's a good bike, I must say. One of the best bike for every road condition and all. When you feel like going somewhere, you have to do it. Motivate yourself and do it. You will be here and you will feel like paradise. I'm slow rider. I'm just alone. Riding 1000 kilometers straight away to the statue here in Gujarat. I'll show you something more. Okay, this is the view of this area here. Because the sunlight on my face here, on the statue as well, maybe you cannot see it properly. I'm sorry for that. Because the other side you cannot go there. But I'll try to go further there. And maybe that angle can see something. Maybe good view from that angle here. So this is it. Okay. I have to remove my everything here and keep in a locker. No bags, no jackets. They give you a token for what you have and start walking. Just go inside there. Let's see what we can see from there. Guys, I'm inside here. Not too much inside maybe. Okay. This is the uncle. Okay, let's go. What? I don't know from where I can go with this ticket. Here. Okay, I'll just go and check it out, that area first, that side area. I'll show you the area, how this area looks here. This was Narmada river here, and they have something butterfly garden, something other side, that side. It's far away. Maybe I'll take a round there if possible, if they allow me. Okay. Okay, now this is the river, and there's the Statue of Unity signboard there. Opposite side, I don't know if we can go there. Maybe only for local people, I think, that side. And I asked the security guard. He told me I can go to the till the feet of the statue there with my ticket. And one more interesting thing, that inside the statue they have escalators or lift to go up, to climb up, or something like that. He told me like this. So I'll go there and see, try to show you. From here I have to walk, and this is the view of this area here, guys. For those people who trying to come here but they can't afford, or they don't have courage to come alone or drive here. Yeah, I am professional rider here. I can go anywhere if you ask me to go. I can ride day and night also. I don't need anybody or something like that. I don't get afraid of such things and all. Okay. So we'll go there and talk about it later on. Totally mountain area here, and they cut the mountain a little bit and make this point here. This is one of the world's tallest statue, they say. Okay. But now the tourists are lesser than before. Means before Corona there were lots of tourists here, and Saturday and Sunday the local Gujarati people also visit, and neighboring like what you have Rajasthan or some around this area, Maharashtra's people are here. But I see a lot of people from other part of also, even the foreigners are also here to watch this here, watch this point here. Okay, let's go inside now. This is the area here. So this is all about Statue of Unity in Gujarat, guys. Even they build nice steps here to go down to the dock there. There come a small ship maybe, but now the water is very less here. Okay. And there's the one rock there, and in between, and one bridge has connected that place, so we have to walk on that bridge. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm now walking in this area here. It's more than around 500 meters to walk here inside this. Look at this. This is amazing here. Guys, I am other side inside here now. Inside. Okay, and this is the area here. Okay, I'll show you this side. This is the view from here now. I'm inside here. Okay, this is the view. Now we have escalator here, so So we don't have much trouble to walking here. So even walking, so reach fast. Don't have to waste your time. Here, we'll go upstairs here. Now you can see from here, it's a huge statue. It's really big here. Even they have escalator statue in the gallery. Okay. This is the feet here. How big is the feet? This is the back side of the statue. They made exactly the dhoti is the same as the original one. Look like same. Okay. Okay, this is the climbing out now. Climbing down here. Okay, let's walk a little bit here. Yeah. This is the way out, and that is the way in there to climb. You don't have to climb there. If you want, there's an escalator there. Okay, we'll go back now. There's a gallery inside here, but I didn't take the ticket. I just take a small ticket. Some other day when I come back here again, then I will do that. Okay, lots of people are coming here to visit. Of course, they should come here, and those who watch me also, you guys also come here, because one of the tallest statue in the world you must visit. Okay, this is how they build it here. Okay, it's feel like proud to be Indian. Of course, everybody should feel proud to be Indian. Okay.
आप सबके टिकट पर व्यूइंग गार्डन पर जाने का समय दिया गया है.
There's the garden there. Okay, let's go further. So I'm outside again, guys. So that was the thing. And we are just a small peak, you can call. I can see some humans there. Okay, anyways. And this is the other side view here. They have something like this. Okay. Food. If you need something to eat or drink, of course you can have it. There you have all kinds of cafe inside. Cold drinks and all. Subways, Starbucks. If you want, you can have something if you like. Okay, let's move further. There is the dam there at last. I'll try to go there. But okay. Yeah guys, I just had a cup of tea here, and they said one more dam is there in front of that, and they will not allow me to go there. I'll just go and try there. If I can show you, that will be great. So let's go and see. Yeah guys, this side also a lot of place to visit here. You can have a full day here. You have lots of things to see. But I was talking about dam there. There was a dam, but they not allowing to go with bike inside. I have to take bus. I don't know how long the bus will take. Okay. Okay, this is the parking area of here. And they stay in the rooms or something. And even you can climb there. There's a jungle forest there. Even they have park here inside. So guys, that was a statue here. Hope you like this video guys. I'll finish up this video over here. It's around 4:30 now. I'll leave to my home now from here. It's almost 1000 kilometers. So let's see how long I can ride tonight. Maybe where I get tired, I'll just take a room and sleep maybe. If you like my videos guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I always bring good places for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video guys.